So, unboxing All American Pressure Canner 1930 model. Unboxing. Okay. So, this is the canner. Wow. And this is the appearance. This is the pressure gauge. So, this is the inside body. And this is the spacer strainer, and it's two pieces. Oh, very nice. I brought an extra, but it's already have an extra, but a little bit gone. And this is the weights for the pressure. You can select 5 PSI, 10 PSI, and 15 PSI. And it depends on the pressure here. Pressure, temperature. And you must be locked here. There was this one. This one, it will lock here. And it will be like this. But you will search for the arrow. So this is the arrow, and this is the slot, and to lock is like this. That's the correct position. And this is the weights like this. So this is it, the pressure canner 1930 model.